My name is Anmol Kapoor. I'm a practicing cardiologist in Canada, Calgary, originally from India. I've been practicing medicine for last many years. And the common problem people always ask me, why do I have the problem? What I should do next? I am on the right treatment. And those three questions were always coming back again and again. So that inspired me to do what I am doing today in Dubai at a Precision Medicine Expo. In Dubai, we are looking to launch one of our premier clinic, Precision Medicine and Longevity Clinic in Dubai, sometime in the summertime, to help people understand how to incorporate precision medicine, precision health into their everyday practices. So the hospital system currently is using traditional way of medicine, but missing out the areas of biomarker science, precision medicine science from genomics, and how it could help reduce the side effects, provide answers to patients, why they have heart disease earlier, why they had problems with their mental health, or why they got the diabetes, why they got a cancer, and to also help them understand if they are getting the right treatment from the healthcare system locally here, and if they need to adjust the medication, if the dose is the right dose, and how they're metabolizing their drug. So that kind of information we can also help them understand much better. So this way people have less side effects, they get the right treatment at the right time, and they are not wasting time, and they get the right strategy just made for them. So that clinic will be launched from Dubai, being the first of its kind in the region. But at the same time, we're looking to work with other health institutions, hospitals, clinicians, labs, and help them incorporate these technologies, services in their healthcare systems. So we're looking to collaborate with them. So we have this full information technology system using artificial intelligence, and they can incorporate these tools. Not only the people who are coming to us can get help, but people who are. I do see healthcare shifting right now. We are at a very pivoting moment. The paradigm is shifting. We were in an era where we were very good in diagnosing and picking up diseases using MRI, CT, some blood biomarkers. But now the focus is shifting towards preventative side because we have peaked in that area. But people are still developing those diseases. The question becomes, yes, we are good in picking up the disease, but how we can prevent the disease? So we can prolong the healthy stage of a person, of a humanity, of a human being. So this is called health span of a person. So that shift is going to be moving the next 100 years towards healthcare. So this is a start in this direction. So the healthcare will be using multi-omics based, genomics, proteomics, and other advanced technologies using artificial intelligence to accurately predict who is going to develop the disease, what kind of disease they are going to develop, and how we can intersect that message before the disease occurs. And can we do a gene editing? Can we eliminate the disease altogether from that family? And can we avoid any side effect of the drug, or only give the right drug? Because we know that aspirin may not be good for everyone. We know that statin for cholesterol-lowering medication may not be good for everyone. We know that some cancer medication may not be good for everyone. They may cause side effects. Now using precision medicine and AI technologies, we'll be able to provide them better care, less side effect, people living longer. Blockchain solution will provide us security for data and privacy, because people will need to secure the data in a secure platform so they know who's accessing, who's not accessing, so data is not getting into the wrong hands. So blockchain technology will help us. BioArrow is also investing money into blockchain technologies to build these platforms so then people can feel comfortable, the data is unhackable, private, so then they feel trust and they feel comfortable accessing the services. Well, from a cancer perspective, first we need to understand why someone has a cancer, or anyone has a cancer. Sometimes there is a genetic predisposition. So if I may have a gene which I inherited from my parents, that may put me at risk. Doesn't mean I may develop a cancer. It can put me at risk. It's like someone has a criminal intent, but they have not committed the crime. So criminal intent does not mean the crime has happened. So you can put a person in jail. So having a same time gene predisposition does not mean they're going to have a disease. So they can live their life normally, but now they're aware. If someone has a risk for example, liver cancer potential. So now there's no cancer there, but they can avoid alcohol use. That's very, very important. They know that if they're going to keep drinking alcohol, it may trigger the cancer for them much faster than other people. So they can do preventative strategies in that regard. So then a doctor can follow them with a liver ultrasound regularly, do a liver enzyme checkup regularly. So this way the disease is not occurring. If it's going to occur, they can intercept it earlier, and this way it does not going to spread in the whole body when it becomes too late. So this is how the precision medicine is going to change the cancer care in that regard. So people will be able to change the lifestyle. A doctor will be able to make a strategy for them, how to follow them properly, and patients can live longer. And should that cancer occur, then they can intercept that much earlier, and people living healthier, longer lives. This is how precision medicine will be helping an oncology department.